Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to use iTransorforline to backup your line chat history on your iPhone or Android device. First, let's go over why it's important to regularly backup your line chat history. Your chat history contains valuable conversations and memories that you don't want to lose, and backing it up helps ensure that it's protected in case anything happens to your device. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1. Download and install iTransorforline on your computer. You can find the download link on the official website. Step 2. Connect your iPhone or Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Launch iTransorforline and select Line from the main menu. Step 4. Click on the Backup button. iTransorforline will start scanning your device for line data. Step 5. Once the scan is complete, you will see a list of all the line chats that are available for backup. Select the chats that you want to include in the backup, or click on Select All to include everything. Step 6. Click on the Export button to start the backup process. You will be asked to choose a location to save the backup file. Select the location and click Export to start the backup. Step 7. Wait for the backup process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your chat history. Step 8. Once the backup is complete, you will see a notification indicating that the backup was successful. You can now find the backup file at the location you specified in Step 6. And that's it, you will successfully backed up your line chat history using iTransorforline. Remember to regularly backup your chat history to keep it safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.